Seleucus the Great stands as a towering figure amidst the tumultuous aftermath of Alexander the Great's death. In the chaotic world of the Diadochi, where ambition often led to betrayal, Seleucus emerged as the last standing general of Alexander. While many generals sought power through treachery and force, Seleucus demonstrated remarkable resilience and political acumen. He not only outlived countless rivals but also inherited the largest portion of Alexander's fragmented empire, a true testament to his strategic mind and fighting prowess. In his quest to reclaim lost territories, Seleucus faced the formidable Chandragupta Maurya in a significant showdown. Initially, the battle for control over northwestern India seemed to favor Seleucus, but resistance proved overpowering. Instead of pressing on alone, he struck a peace treaty that would change the course of history. In exchange for vast Indian lands, he acquired 500 war elephants, majestic and powerful creatures that would later turn the tides in his favor during the pivotal Battle of Ipsus in 301 BCE. One of Seleucus's most enduring legacies is his founding of over 20 cities named Seleucia. These cities symbolized his desire for cultural influence and administrative control, particularly the renowned Seleucia on the Tigris. This city flourished as a bustling capital and a cultural nexus in the Hellenistic world where diverse cultures converged, reflecting his vision of a multi-ethnic empire. Seleucus understood that unity amidst diversity would ensure stability and prosperity of his reign. To fortify his rule, Seleucus articulated a divine heritage by declaring himself a son of Apollo. This claim, rooted in divine right, bolstered his legitimacy during a period rife with power struggles. By intertwining his lineage with revered mythology, Seleucus navigated the terrains of Hellenistic propaganda, allying himself with the gods to dissuade dissent and rally loyalty among subjects. However, his ambitious nature ultimately led him to a fateful end. Tragically, Seleucus's story is marred by betrayal, culminating in his assassination at the hands of Ptolemy Keriounos, son of Ptolemy I. Just as he stood on the precipice of unifying Alexander's fragmented empire, his life was cut short, revealing the stark reality of political ambition. His death reflects a poignant paradox, as it highlights both the heights of a legacy built on might and the vulnerability that accompanies power. Intriguingly, some historical accounts hint at a connection between Seleucus and Olympias, Alexander's mother. The notion of this alliance between a fierce general and a royal woman underscores the nuanced political landscape of their time. Seleucus's ability to forge unexpected alliances further illustrates his strategic brilliance, making his legacy not just one of conquest, but of unified governance amidst the rich tapestry of cultures he so masterfully navigated. Seleucus the Great